Download Ventoy for booting via USB drive. Copy-paste link in browser to download Ventoy. Copy-paste link in browser to download Windows 11. After downloading finishes, connect a USB drive. Run Ventoy application. Select USB drive, click on Install button. After installing Ventoy, copy-paste Windows 11 to USB drive. Now restart boot from USB drive by pressing boot menu key, e.g. F12 for Dell. Now select Windows 11, press Enter key.
If you are getting, "This PC can't run Windows 11" error, then follow next steps one by one.
Step 1. Press Shift plus F10 together to open command prompt. Step 2. Now type regedit, press Enter key.
Step 3. Navigate to HKEY_local_machine system setup folder. Step 4. Right-click on Setup, select New Select Key rename as Lab Config. Step 5. Select Lab Config, right-click in blank space, select New Select DWORD, 32-bit, value. Repeat same step 2 times.
Step 6. Now rename both new value number 1 new value number 2 as bypass TPM check, bypass secure boot check. Step 4. Now right-click on bypass TPM check, bypass secure boot check, modify value data 0 to 1 for both. Installation begins. Windows 11 getting ready. Hurrah! Finally, we have successfully installed Windows 11 on our PC. Please like, share, subscribe.